Here at 271 Honda Performance, we are best known for our power adder modifications, intake systems, exhaust, turbochargers, intercoolers, the works, all things designed to give you huge gains in horsepower and torque. However, we also realize that not only do you want to go fast, but you want to look good too. So today, I'm super excited to introduce to you guys our radiator and fender shroud kit for the 10th generation Honda Civic. So let's be real guys, popping the hood of your 10th generation Honda Civic is not that exciting. A lot of plastic and a lot of voids, especially on the sides. So today, we're sharing with you the details on the radiator and fender shroud kit, and we're super excited. So what exactly is the radiator and the fender shroud? They're going to be nice decorative metal pieces that are going to cover the fenders and replace the OEM plastic radiator shroud. Starting up front, we're going to go ahead and ditch the OEM plastic and give you this nice metal 3D formed piece. So what this is it's 50-52 aluminum finished in a nice powder coat black. This is going to replace that plastic and give you a solid look. We're going to include everything you need. The bolts, little rib nuts to secure it in place, and it's a super simple install. Moving on to the fender shrouds, you're going to find out that the OE, there's simply nothing there. We're staring at two big gaps between the fender and the firewall. Not very pretty. We went ahead and resolved that. These pieces were 3D designed in CAD software so we can make sure they fit exactly like they needed to. As a matter of fact, the fit's going to be so good you're going to think it was designed there from the factory. Looks is also equally important. We're going to give you an option for two different colors. A nice signature orange, which matches the 271 orange that you see on the frontal tower bar, and a signature black powder coat. This is going to be your nice premium look. The guys don't want to keep it OE looking and real nice and stealth. And to top off the look on these fender shrouds, we're going to put a nice clean 271 etch on there so you know you've got premium products underneath the hood of your Honda Civic. So if you're rocking a 271 suite of parts, we already know that you guys are going really fast, and now it's time to look really good. Go ahead and pick up a shroud kit for yourself. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Vincent. I'll catch you guys next time.